I'm Darlene and welcome back to Super 60. Today, I'm gonna bring you along with me as I kind of clean off my kitchen counters and wipe things down, and most things have been taken off the wall. We are giving my kitchen a little bit of a holiday Christmas lift. Okay, there's gonna be some paint involved and a little of this and a little of that, and the guys are showing up first thing tomorrow morning, so I thought I'm just gonna set up the camera and I'll work as fast as I can. I'll set it to music and y'all can just watch as I get things ready for some fun things gonna be happening to my Super 60 kitchen. I'm kind of excited about it. It's not a full gut by any stretch of the imagination, but until we get to that point, our life's just not quite ready to make that decision yet. This is the next best thing, and I'm actually kind of excited about it. So hopefully maybe I'll bring you some ideas that you can bring to your own little kitchens or big kitchens. Well, I always say little because I have a very little kitchen, but I think it's going to be fun. So maybe you can guess ahead and kind of think, I wonder what paint color she's chosen, or is she going to be coloring the cabinets, painting the cabinets, or leaving them the way they are? Or what about that sink back there, over there? You know, is she gonna be doing anything special there, or just leaving it the way it is? I'm not gonna tell anybody anything. Nope, not a thing. Yeah, so we'll just see what happens. Well, that actually turned out to be quite a lot of work, and I still have a little bit left to do. I still have some stuff on top of the refrigerator that needs to come down. Other than that, I think we're good to go. So, but thanks for joining me today. This was really kind of a lot of fun. And this is actually kind of part one, because next time you see me in my kitchen, I will undoubtedly everything will be all done, and I hope it looks really nice. You know, this is something that I kind of thought together in my mind for quite a while. And I'm hoping that it just comes together the way I'm thinking it's going to come together. I don't know. We'll have to see, because you have to pick this and you have to choose this and that. But it was fun. The last time we did anything to our kitchen probably was about 9 years ago, maybe. And we did put in brand new new cabinets and the countertops and sinks and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, this will be nice to have a little bit of a refresh, and it's mighty nice that it's right around Christmas time too. I started a little bit of decorating right there. You can see in that glass cabinet. That was kind of fun. So hopefully I'll have a good time doing that. And I'm excited. I'm really, really excited. Thanks again for being here with me today. I'm Darlene. This is Super at 60, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.